Hello, Bill McRae back to share a little bit more about the WP Traffic Pro that we're giving away for free at wp-traffic.com. Sign up and download this for free. When you do, it has a great, what we call a content poster system for YouTube, but it has access to all the plugins you need to get your plug really going, your blog, which is basically the only real websites people should be running. I use it for e-commerce. I use it for everything. It's just so convenient. It has all of the plugins that you need to get traffic generated for your site. Let me go through it again. The statistics program, the social media sharing program, the Google Analytics that will actually be able to give you information straight from Google, which is an amazing program. Yoast SEO, which will allow you to create your customized on-page search engine optimization for your homepage or each individual post. How to revive old content by reposting them on social media. This is really, really effective. Being able to reduce the number of bounces on your site by having related posts with the contextual related posts. Social media sharing to try to get your people to share. See, a lot of the stuff I still need to activate and install in this particular website. Post engagement is a push notification. This is where people can come in and decide that they like to receive updates from your website. So if they say yes, they want to receive update, you can push a notice to them, and it will pop up on their web browser whenever they log in. Whatever website they go, will come and say, e-business traffic offering new pricing on leads, for example. It's a great way to generate traffic for on-demand stuff. If you want to do podcasting, Simply Podcasting is the tool. Content curation system. This is a powerful system. You got to learn how to use it. It's a little tough. The Bot RX is just a program for detecting and maintaining your bots so that you don't have a lot of serious issues with bots that are causing traffic issues for your site. A support desk, and then a pop-up builder for them. So these are all plugins that are in the sites. So they're all the free versions. If they have a paid version, you can click here to go to it and buy it. Very powerful system. It's all in one spot. That you can kind of choose which ones you want to use and not want to use. The ones that I absolutely use are WP Statistics and WP Social. I will activate the dashboard here for Google Analytics. SEO Yoast and Revive Old Posts are absolutely must use. Everything else can kind of this is a business website, and I have a specific way of setting up business sites, and I'll share that with you in another video, but this is so powerful. I mean, you don't have to go hunting for them. These things all work. They work together, and the cool thing is every once in a while I'll add another plugin in here, like I just added this pop-up builder. You can come back in here and look at install plugins and go through the plugins that I recommend. There'll always be a free version, and if there's a paid version, go to my website and I'll give you my advice on whether to use it or not. At least create a video. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for listening.